Hello everyone and welcome aboard MediaConsole. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import links to the market and how to invite your clients to your own private marketplace. Now, once we've set up your MediaConsole, you receive two accounts, one publisher account and one or multiple general manager accounts. Now, it's important that you import your links from the publisher account in order to have automatic invoicing. So I've logged in here to a publisher account, and once I click on the market, I can see that the database is empty. So let's import some links, and in order to do that, we need to download the CSV file and fill it in accordingly. I have the CSV file here. It looks something like this. Most of these categories are pretty standard and pretty straightforward, but if you feel you need any kind of additional assistance, feel free to check out our FAQ because it covers all the significant and insignificant details, so you'll be covered. It's also important to mention that you can import the metrics alongside the websites manually. You can type it in, or if you have API keys for Ahrefs, Moz, or Majestic, you can insert those and have the metrics updated automatically. Now, I've already set up a list that I would like to import, so let's do that. Click on import. That's done. Now the media is in the ready for market section. What we need to do here is just to confirm that this is what we were expecting. So let's select all since we're sure, and let's click here. Now in a couple of moments, the media is going to be in the pending section, and you need to affirm it through your general manager account. So media is in the pending section, and let's log into our general manager account. Okay, now I've logged into the general manager account, and once I click on the market here, I can see that media is still not there. So media is currently in the incoming section. So let's go there. Now, what we need to do is select all this media if we want it in our marketplace, click on actions and click on approve. Now media is being added in background. Let's wait for a couple of moments to refresh. Okay, very nice. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to invite your clients. Click on settings, then click on users, and all you need to do is click on this green invite button and it will generate a link which you can forward further. It's the same link for everyone, so if you have some sort of Notion or any other third-party program, you can post it there and have your clients link it in order to reach your sign-up form. And from this point forward, your clients can place those orders. That would be it for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.